Okay, this clip is a product disassembly, and the product we're going to take apart is a garden light. It's an LED garden light. Now we can see the garden light. There's a diffuser lens here, a stand and a little spike, and we're going to take this apart and just look at all the little bits and pieces that make it up. So if I just zoom in a little bit here, and we'll look first of all at this bit. This is just an injection molded spike. We can kind of see the just ejector marks there, little circles there, and they show us this is injection molded, probably just out of, I don't know, high impact polystyrene. So that just allows you to spike it into the ground. Then we've got this. This is a stainless steel, piece of stainless steel tube. It's nice stainless steel, obviously a garden product, which means it won't rust. It's quite a low cost light, this, and that's pretty good for a low cost light. Saves, the stainless steel saves finishing it as well, so it doesn't need to be painted. It's a self-finished piece of material. The next thing we've got is a diffuser lens here. This diffuser lens. If I cover it up, you can just see the light, and it just diffuses the light, which makes a better light for a garden light. Okay, so this is again injection molded. Could be ABS, could be HIPS. I couldn't quite tell, but that's the lens there. It's also got a nice little feature here in that they've put a little hole here. They supply you with a little bit of line, so that if you want to, you can hang it up. You can hang it up as a little kind of lantern light, which is nice. It also can just stand as a table lamp as well. So it's pretty versatile. Someone's thought about that. There's the diffuser, and then if we look here, we've got a second diffuser. We just twist that, and that comes off. And then see again, injection molded, high impact polystyrene, and it's just to diffuse the light from the LED. Cover that up, you can see the LED, and it's a small, I think it's about a 3mm LED. You can also see on there that this is CE marked. CE marked products need to be CE marked for use in the European Union. So that just means it's certificated to bring in here, and it's also got a no recycling, which is part of the WE regulations, which is the recycling of electronic products. So this shouldn't really be disposed of in landfill. It should be recycled by law. We've got a solar panel here, or photovoltaic. You can see that it's on the top, and we've got a slide switch here. Show the slide switch to turn the product on and off. So we'll turn it off now, and we'll look at taking it apart. So if we look down the hole here, we can see there are two small posi drive screws. So we got I don't know, it's PZ1 or smaller screwdriver. Undo this. A little self-tapping screw there. Take that out. There's a second one there. Take that out, and then we can have a look inside. Again, two injection molded cases. These could be polythene or something like that. Inside, we can see inside here, we've got a printed circuit board. We've got a AAA size battery, and we can see that's 150 ampere, 1.2 volt. That's a little AAA battery. We can actually prise that out. And it's just, you can see that's a standard AAA rechargeable battery. Okay, so that was our battery. The battery holder here, you can see, is just incorporated into the injection molded case. Now we've got another screw here, small screw that holds on our circuit board. So we can take this off and have a look at our circuit board. We've got a few components on here. We've got a PCB mounted switch, so the switch is mounted onto the PCB. We can see the LED there, and it's a small 3mm LED, and it's quite cleverly got a little bit of insulation there, and then to mount it up so it fits in the hole, they've just mounted it off the PCB. Okay, there's the PCB, resistor, small transistor or component there. There's that. We've got connections there which we could probably pull off for the two battery holders, and then there's our case, and last of all, there's a connection to the photovoltaic. That's a solar cell, and we can see that it's held in with hot melt glue. Hot melt glue is quite often used in electrical components just to stop. They've soldered that, but to make that extra secure, a little bit of hot glue there and there. That's something you could do in your product. So, quite simple. Circuit board, case, and there we are. That's the garden light.